Good morning. My name is Mayet and we are here to conduct an interview to know more about your business. Okay, before we start, I hope that you are doing well. So we provided a list of questions for you, ma'am. The first question is, can you tell us about yourself and how do you start in the business industry?
Hi, good morning. I'm Marcela Morales and I'm the business manager, owner of a pharmaceutical company and feature vehicles rental for movie tapings. And then I have worked for 18 years as a district manager of a well-known pharmaceutical company before I quit my job and decided to put up my own pharmaceutical company, Dalashe Pharma. And then I ventured to another business, which is Dalashe Car Rental for movie and teleserye use.
Okay, for the second question is, how many years is your experience in the business industry?
First, in the industry, in the pharmaceutical industry, I think I have 18 years of total experience as a district manager and 9 years as owner of pharmaceutical, total of 26 years, and in car rental, 9 years.
For the next question, we would like to know what is your management style?
Management style? When I search for an accurate management style for my line of work, I think the most fit is the situational management style. Since I face different types of people, especially in the movie production, their needs are different. So I need to be flexible in making decisions and working with my team. And in my pharmaceutical business, I think I handle it alone, so I cover doctors to get their orders.
For the next question, we would like to know how do you delegate your responsibilities?
Responsibilities for my driver's responsibilities in the movie industry. Kinukol ko sila to give the info, feedback na binigay ng location manager where and when, the location and the call time. And then pag nasa location na sila, I see to it na I call them time by time para sa mga ibang updates na binabato ng director and the location managers para sa maging smooth transaction ng paggamit ng mga feature vehicles. And if any damages na makita, dapat ma-report nila sa akin and I see to it na ma-inform ko ang location manager para managot man ang production. And then sa pharmaceutical naman, I'm looking for any orders from my doctors and I see to it na I delivered it on time.
Question number 5. How do you motivate your team?
My motivation to my team, I tell them to take a nap and make sure that they receive their food on time from the production because ito libre. Then they also motivated dahil nagiging part sila minsan ng production teleserye dahil kinukuha sila as extra, as they call talent, and they earn extra income paid by the production.
That's it. Question 6. What motivates you to work?
What motivates you in work? Of course, what motivates me, I enjoy what I am doing. I meet different directors and celebrities, yung mga artista. Actually, nagpipicture-picture pa nga kami. Then, parang mga friend na, like si Kim Chu. Yan, ang tawag sa akin yan, Ate Baby! So, friendly na namin siya. And, of course, ano pa nga ba ang magmo-motivate? Siyempre, I earn a lot of money at the same time. na parang ako'y namamasyal lang sa mga different location, and ang especially no pressure, and hawak ko ang oras ko.
What are the ups and downs you have encountered from the previous and present as a manager?
Ups and downs, I think the ups is maraming calls and maraming sales sa Parma, and sa call yung car amortization nababayaran niya by itself through calls ng car. And downs, I think syempre lahat naman ng show nag-e-end. So pag nag-end, so it means stop din ang car rental, car calls. And for the Parma naman downs, I think hindi naman all the time na maraming patient. So may times din na matumal, kumbaga. So walang orders. So parang ganyan.
That's it. For the next question, how do you measure success?
How do I measure my success? So, bali, nag-started ng 2 cars. The police car setup and the back-to-back sa ang probinsyano. So, doon ako nag-start na nagpa-rent sa naginagamit sa taping yung kay Coco Martin. So, hanggang dumami ng dumami, nag-add until naging 12 cars na ngayon. At nakilala din ako ng ibang mga production dahil nga mas dumami ang pinare-rent na kotse na meron ako na kailangan ng production. So, naibibigay ko lahat ng mga needs, ng mga requirements para sa shooting ng different teleserye, movies na I supplied. Yes, then syempre, nakapagdagdag pa ako ng mga iba pang mga cars uli. So, hanggang lumaki. So, yun ang masasabi kong successful. Dahil naging kilala ko sa industry ng showbiz. Dala siya car rental. And also, ay mga ibang LM nare-refer nila ako sa ibang, like, ang handle ko is the ABS-CBN alone lang talaga. Ngayon, kumakalat ng aking Lashe car rental sa other network like the TV5 and the indie film, mga movies, yung mga ginagawa nila Vice Ganda na napapanood natin sa sine as sa festival pag Christmas. Yon, isa sa mga cars na ginagamit ng mga artista doon is my car. And when it comes sa pharmaceutical naman, masasabi kong successful din ang pharmaceutical ko dahil from 2 or 3 doctors hanggang lumaki ang mga nakikater kong doctors na nagpapatronage ng aking product. The OB-GYN doctors, mga pangbuntis na products ang kinikerry ko. So, yun na masasabi ko. For 9 years na nag-separate ako sa aking company before, and na-put up ko yung aking distributors ng pharmaceutical. So, nakikita ko na ang network ko naman is lumalaki, na naging area ko is the Bataan, Zambales, Olongapo, as well as the Bulacan area. That I manage it alone. Ang pag-ano ko sa pharmaceutical ko ay delivered, but hindi naman so hassle naman kahit mag-isa lang ako doon. Dahil only the doctor is, they called me na need nila ng gamot. Dahil mga friend ko na rin sila eh. No need to cover it every day. Just they text me and magko-call ako sa kanila na okay, ipapadala ko na ang gamot. Hanggang lumaki ang network ko doon. And because they also supported me talaga. And they promised me na i-support ako sa mga products ko. That's it.
For the next questions, what is your strength and weaknesses as a manager?
Is my strength, because of my past experience I know to handle the different kind of people attitude ng mga doctors, to how I manage the, kumbaga edge ko na dahil for the 18 years experience ko sa pharmaceutical industry.
Last question. Can you give us advice on those who someone wants to become a manager?
My message to someone who wants to be a manager, I think maging dedicated kayo sa work nyo ngayon kasi magagamit nyo yan later on how you handle well when you have your own team. And later on, magiging manager kayo ng your own business. Thank you for interviewing me, for sharing my knowledge and experience as a manager and owner of my own business. By the way, if you're willing to use your cars for movie and teleserye shooting, don't hesitate to contact me at Facebook, Sheila Salazar Morales. Thank you!